So today we're going to learn a simple basic fraction addition. Okay, when the denominator is not same. Last class I taught you how to do fraction addition if the denominator is staying same. आज हम मतलब डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं है तो उसको सीखेंगे. If the denominator is not staying same, then how to do fraction addition we'll learn today. It's so much simple. Question is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. First write 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Okay. How to do fraction addition? This one. Take LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4. Is it divisible by any common number? No, only one. So 1, 3 and 4. Yeah, 3 and 4. It will be, LCM will be 1 into 3 into 4, which is 12. So the common denominator will be 12. Okay. Now, if you observe carefully, 3 into how much is 12? 3 into 4 is 12. It was 3 into 4. So you have to do what? This 2 into how much? 3 into how much is 12? 4. So you have to multiply 2 into 4 plus. Okay. Now this 4 into 3 is 12. Okay. So what you have to do? This 3 into the 4 was 4 multiplied by 3 was 12. So you have to multiply 3. 3 into 3. And it is done. 2 into 4 is 8. 3 into 3 is 9 divided by 12. 9 plus 8 is 17 by 12, which is the required answer. It is so simple. I hope you all understood it. You all can try one sum. Try this sum. 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5 and comment me the answer. Sorry, answer. I mean, what will be the answer? Please comment it. Thank you.